How to view calculator history on iPhone or iPad. While the default calculator app does not have a history feature, there are a few tricks you can use to keep track of your calculations. In this guide, I'll show you how to view calculator history on your iPhone or iPad. Let's dive in. The very first thing you want to do is press and hold on your calculator app. With that, you will find the last result. You won't find the overall calculation, but you'll find the result of that calculation. Another way to keep track of your calculation is by copying and pasting them into Notes app. After performing a calculation, press and hold on the result, then select Copy, open the Notes app and paste it there. This allows you to manually keep a history of your calculations. If you need a more comprehensive solution, consider downloading a third-party calculator app from the App Store. Many of these apps come with a built-in history feature that automatically saves all of your calculations so you can review them later. And that's how you can keep track of your calculator history on iPhone or iPad. While the default app doesn't offer a full history, these workarounds will help you out stay on top of your calculations. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.